Want to keep your website safe from crashes or mistakes? Here's how to activate automatic backups on HostGator in under 90 seconds. Log into your HostGator customer portal and go to the hosting tab. Select your plan, then click Manage. Scroll down to the add-on section. Look for CodeGuard, the HostGator's automated backup service. If you haven't purchased it yet, then click Buy Now, choose a plan, and complete checkout. Once CodeGuard is active, go to your cPanel, scroll the File section, and click on CodeGuard. It will automatically connect to your site and begin creating daily backups of your files and databases. You can also log into the CodeGuard dashboard anytime to view, download, or restore backups with just one click. And that's it. Your HostGator site is now protected with some really good automatic backups. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more web hosting tutorials, and comment below if you want guides on malware protection, SSL, or even site migration next. And yeah, if you just want me to make a video on any specific topic, go ahead and drop that down in the below comment section below too. And until then, yeah, well, I'll catch you in the next video.